ohmathgad.
Oh my god, guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to tackle the triangle inequality theorem when we're given possible lengths for a third side. So let's begin. So guys, in today's problem, we're going to be taking a look at the triangle inequality theorem that says that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the length of the third side, right? So in the diagram we see that A plus B has to be higher than C, A and C added have to be higher than B, and B plus C have to be higher than A when added. Okay, so with that into account, we can actually take a look at the following situation, which says a triangle has side lengths that are 30 inches and 50 inches. What are the possible lengths of the third side, right? Again, we know that one of the sides, let's call it A, is going to be 30 inches, and the other one is going to be 50 inches, let's call it B, and we are going to find C, or the third one, right? So we know that A plus B have to be higher than C. So 30 plus 50 has to be higher than C. So 80 inches is higher than C. So that means that C has to be less than 80 inches. That is the first one. We also know that A plus C has to be higher than B. So A, 30, plus C has to be higher than 50. So that means that C has to be higher than 50 minus 30, which means that C has to be higher than 20 inches, right? And then the third one, which we don't really need to do, is that B plus C is higher than A, right? So in this case, we have that B, which is 50 inches, plus C has to be higher than 30 inches. So C has to be higher than 30 minus 50, which is minus 20, which is obvious because C cannot be negative. So this third one is always going to be fulfilled. So that means that we stay with the first two. So C has to be higher than 20 inches, right? But C has to be lower than 80 inches. So that means that the value of the side C, or the third side, has to be higher than 20 and lower than 80 inches, right? So 20.001 inches is good enough, and 79.909999 is good enough, or a number in between like 30 or 40. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!